Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to install FastAPI in any project in Pycharm. This is a new project that I have created in Pycharm in which I will show you if FastAPI is already installed or not. So in its main.py file I am going to import FastAPI. So I'll write from FastAPI import FastAPI. Now I'm going to run main.py file. And there you go, it says no module named FastAPI. So let me show you how to install the FastAPI library. One way to install it is to simply click on this install package label over here, but I'll tell you a better and more efficient way to install the FastAPI library. Come to the left side of the Pycharm screen where you see all these icons and hover over the third icon which says Python packages. Simply click on it. It's going to open this interface of Python packages. In the search bar, simply type FastAPI and you will see a list of FastAPI packages appearing over here. You may see many different packages with FastAPI in their name, but the main package is this one which just says FastAPI. The others are just third-party packages. So click on the first one which says FastAPI. Now come to the right side of the Pycharm screen. Here you are going to see the install button. If you click on it, it will start installing the latest version of the FastAPI library. But if you want to install a specific version of the FastAPI library, then click on this drop down, choose the version and then click on the install button. But in this video, I will install the latest version of the FastAPI library. So let me click on the install button. You can see the FastAPI package has started installing. It's going to take a couple of minutes to install. Alright, the FastAPI library is installed. You can see the red line which appeared under FastAPI in this import statement is vanished. But we are going to verify its installation anyway. To verify its installation, all we'll do is run this program. If this program executes successfully, that means FastAPI is successfully installed. So let's run this. So let's run this program. And there you go, it printed hi Pycharm. The program executed successfully and this proves that we have successfully installed FastAPI in this project in Pycharm. And with this we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install FastAPI in Pycharm from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.